so abundant, has enthralled many, creating a melting pot of Filipino diversity. Molave, Molave, God bless thee, O Molave, thy people hail thee with pride and dignity. Molave, Molave, the core of Salug Valley, Molavenians look up to thee for strength and stability.